Hi guys, with another video. This is the one that Chico Stroller. If you have a Chico Stroller and this part, this part, as you see, this is the part that if it's broken, this is the one, which is right like this. This is the one. If it's broken, the one side, what we're gonna do, just use this like multi-purpose ties. I used the other side, it was broken, so I just used this. Oh, come on. This is the one. This is the one. Yeah, this is the one. As you see, this is the one I used for the other side. It was broken, as you see. I put just two of them. And what do? There is a hole somewhere in, right there, somewhere in here. What do? Just tied it, double tied it, and it's working. As you look at this, just push it this, and the other side, just come and push this side too. As you see, look at this. That's nothing wrong at all. Look, of course, little there's this sticking things that you can melt it. These two, what is sticking here, you can with the fire, you can melt it, or you can leave it like this. It's so strong and usable. Yeah, this is the idea that you can use it. I used it, and I'm so happy to use it. What are you gonna do? Only this is the one that I used it. This is a multi-purpose ties, and also what is this? UV protection. So you can use this. As you see, I put two of them, and overall everything is fine. I hope this video helpful to you guys, and please subscribe, and see you soon with another video. Alright guys, bye.